Achieving radiant, glowing skin doesn't have to involve expensive treatments or a cabinet full of high-end products. With the right techniques, ingredients, and lifestyle changes, you can enhance your skin's natural beauty from the comfort of your own home. In this comprehensive guide, we'll cover effective tips, DIY remedies, and everyday habits to help you achieve that coveted glow. The basics of glowing skin. Glowing skin is a sign of health, hydration, and good care. It is achieved when your skin is free from impurities, adequately moistured, and receives proper nutrients to maintain its natural glow. While genetics play a role, your skincare routine and lifestyle choices are key factors in achieving radiant skin. 1. Keep your skin clean. A clean face is the foundation of healthy skin. Start with a gentle cleanser suited for your skin type. For dry skin, use a hydrating, non-foaming cleanser. For oily skin, opt for a gel-based or foaming cleanser to control excess oil. For sensitive skin, choose a fragrance-free, soothing cleanser. Wash your face twice daily, once in the morning and once at night, to remove dirt, oil, and makeup. Overwashing can strip your skin of natural oils, so avoid excessive cleansing. 2. Exfoliate regularly. Exfoliation removes dead skin cells that can dull your complexion, revealing fresh, radiant skin beneath. Physical exfoliation. Use gentle scrubs with fine particles. Avoid harsh scrubbing, which can cause micro tears in the skin. Chemical exfoliation. Ingredients like glycolic acid, lactic acid, or salicylic acid dissolve dead skin cells without abrasion. Aim to exfoliate 1 to 2 times a week, depending on your skin's sensitivity. Over-exfoliation can lead to irritation. 3. Stay hydrated. Hydration is crucial for glowing skin, both inside and out. Drink plenty of water. Aim for 8 to 10 glasses daily to keep your skin plump and hydrated. Use a hydrating moisturizer. Apply after cleansing to lock in moisture. Look for ingredients like hyaluronic acid, glycerin, or ceramides. Humidify your environment. A humidifier can prevent your skin from drying out, especially in colder months. 4. Nourish your skin with a healthy diet. Your skin reflects what you eat. Focus on a balanced diet rich in vitamins, antioxidants, and healthy fats. Vitamin C, found in citrus fruits, berries, and bell peppers, it boosts collagen and brightens skin. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in salmon, walnuts, and flax seeds, they help maintain the skin's elasticity. Zinc, found in nuts, seeds, and whole grains, it supports skin repair and reduces inflammation. Avoid excessive sugar and processed foods, as they can contribute to dullness and acne. 5. Get enough sleep. Sleep is your skin's repair time. During deep sleep, your body produces collagen and repairs damage. Lack of sleep can lead to dark circles, dullness, and premature aging. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Sleep on a clean pillowcase to prevent transferring bacteria to your face. Elevate your head slightly to reduce puffiness and fluid retention. 6. Protect your skin from the sun. UV radiation is one of the leading causes of premature aging and dull skin. Daily sun protection is a must. Use sunscreen. Choose a broad-spectrum sunscreen with SPF 30 or higher. Wear protective clothing. Hats, sunglasses, and long sleeves can shield your skin. Avoid peak sun hours. Stay out of the sun between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. when UV rays are strongest. 7. DIY remedies for glowing skin. Honey and lemon face mask. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Method: mix and apply to your face for 15 minutes before rinsing. Benefits: Honey moisturizes and soothes, while lemon brightens the skin. Aloe vera gel. Method: apply fresh aloe vera gel directly to your skin. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Benefits: aloe vera hydrates and heals, giving your skin a natural glow. Turmeric and yogurt mask. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt. Method: apply to your face for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse. Benefits: turmeric fights inflammation, and yogurt gently exfoliates. Cucumber and rosewater toner. Ingredients: blend cucumber juice with rosewater. Method: use a cotton pad to apply it to your skin after cleansing. Benefits: this toner refreshes and hydrates your skin. 8. Manage stress levels. Chronic stress can lead to breakouts, dullness, and premature aging. Incorporate stress-reducing activities into your routine. Practice yoga or meditation. Engage in hobbies you enjoy. Exercise regularly to boost circulation and release feel-good endorphins. 9. Steam and facial massage. Steaming opens up your pores and helps remove impurities, while facial massages stimulate blood flow. How to steam. Lean over a bowl of hot water with a towel draped over your head for 5 to 10 minutes. Facial massage. Use upward circular motions to massage your face with a hydrating serum or oil. 10. Avoid overloading your skin. Using too many products can overwhelm your skin and lead to irritation. Stick to a simple routine with cleanser, moisturizer, sunscreen, targeted treatments, like serums or masks, only as needed. 11. Stay consistent. Consistency is the key to achieving glowing skin. Skincare is not about quick fixes but building a routine that works for you. Results take time, so be patient and stick with your regimen. 12. Know your skin type. Understanding your skin type helps you choose the right products and treatments. Oily skin? Focus on lightweight, mattifying products. Dry skin? Use rich, hydrating creams and oils. Combination skin? Balance your routine with hydrating and oil-controlling products. Sensitive skin? Choose fragrance-free and hypoallergenic products. Final thoughts. Glowing skin starts from within and is the result of consistent care, healthy habits, and attention to what works best for you. By incorporating these tips into your daily routine, you can achieve radiant skin naturally and enjoy long-term benefits for your overall health. Achieving glowing skin at home is not only possible but can also be an enjoyable self-care ritual. Begin today, and let your skin reflect the care and love you give it.